Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's find additional settings. Now we have to enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them using the About Phone section and the MIUI version. So let's check it and then let's come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the demo mode, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the demo mode, whilst the demo mode is on, the clock in the status bar will stop and the battery and signal icon will be displayed as full. So if you want to, just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've got the changes. We can see them on the status bar, and as it was said, we've got all the icons in full state, and what's more, the clock just stopped. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.